Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Opera VPN is temporarily unavailable issue. If your Opera VPN can't connect or shows that error message, here are several steps you can take to resolve it. Before we begin, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price, a faster, more powerful alternative to Opera VPN. First, try restarting Opera VPN. Click the VPN icon in the browser, turn it off, wait about 10 to 12 seconds and turn it back on. This simple step often helps reconnect to the network. Next, make sure your Opera browser is up to date. Click on the Opera logo in the top left corner, then go to Updates and Recovery. A new window will open. Check for any available updates, let them install, and restart the browser afterward. Then, test the VPN again. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache. Click the Opera logo again, hover over History, and select Clear Browsing Data. In the window that pops up, check Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Restart your browser and try the VPN once more. Another possible fix is to check if any browser extensions are interfering with the VPN. Go to Extensions Enabled and start disabling them one by one. After disabling each extension, test the VPN again. This helps you identify if a specific extension is causing the problem. Sometimes your antivirus software might be blocking the VPN connection. If that's the case, go into your antivirus settings and find the exclusion or whitelist option. Add the Opera VPN server to the whitelist, then save your settings and test the VPN. Finally, try changing the server location in Opera VPN. Click the VPN button, enable it, and choose Optimal Location. You can also manually try other regions to see if one works better. While Opera VPN is convenient and free, it does come with limitations. It only protects your browser traffic and may have slower speeds and fewer location options. If you need more reliable and full system-wide protection, NordVPN is a much better alternative. It's faster, more reliable, and packed with features like threat protection, double VPN, and a larger global server network. Check out the link in the description for a great deal on NordVPN.